Are you ready to transform your living or working space into a masterpiece of design and sophistication? Look no further than WD Group Interiors, your ultimate solution for breathtaking ceiling designs and installations in Ghana and beyond. At WD Group, we understand that luxurious ceilings installations are more than just a structure component. Our Elegance series offers a world of possibilities to transform your dream into reality. Whether you're looking for a classic look, a modern touch, or unparalleled sophistication, our company has you at heart and we will deliver. Choose from an array of intricate patterns, from timeless geometric designs to captivating floral patterns. The best part of our business is our designs are completely customized and tailored to fit your budget, vision, and needs. Elevate your space with WD Group Interiors, where imagination meets reality. Contact us today on 057-975-455 for consultation. Let WD Group turn your ceilings and home interiors into a world of art.
The street inside my bemumu. I did live my life because I say me true. Say ye nyamipa. Ibi abeye ma comment too. They say me to be bad boy, so nyamine ni ma comment. Yani basem, oh yani basem dear ya. Yani basem manju nyamin kwa. Yani basem, oh yani basem dear ya. Yani basem manju nyamin kwa. For back up and the street inside my bemumu. I did live my life because I say me true. Say ye nyamipa. Bibi abeye ma comment too. They say me to be bad boy, so nyamine ni ma comment. Yani basem, oh yani basem dear ya.
Bia me mum na me ba beji besia me beji sika no. Wa ma fa me ma nkwa ma ngu ni pekora ni. Nti be wi ase na se e be ba na mi ntia na be ntia na kuko sam. It's got to be done. I like beginning to that. She got away. I am that's all. Zero million. I walk into over. Away, come. So Alias, you too tongue banana. Alias, with the nice baby. You risky baton. I'm there. I'm so stressing. Just here, man. Just here. Just here. Wait. Hey, move back. From that's what that's so bad. So and also I said you say there be na way so ya come be na obolo mali and no I said you say obi a wo se enko ba bi na ni wudi menimo ma ko gisika no e ko du abrika na di free oba and I said you say na ni unya no sankan ha wuni ma dia wo ba dum sika na gum wuni ma ade mo ba de se de oh ye de mali woni man kan sa o se ya ko woni me ko woni pa no na makopa ni pa na cha no de sika na ma me na minyisika metua deza na me kan na ni na mai o ba mchede na ka so pe wa gan zo piska ena me ka to se nya abotre botu e ba ko piska etu wa na se sika na ba nti na o pe ka sa na mi bo se sika na ba e kwa e fa so e mo bi sika no ena me se sika na ba ade na o pe ka sa sika na ba fa mali mi bo me pese me ti ne be ase sika we na kura me no ani ba bi e ko face kan mi kan na yetu no me pese me ti ase eye kro no ana se bisia bo ne ko e straight kro no na ko e ka se me che opotogum ani hwegum ni na ko pa se nkuro nim si akọ wia o
See now but radio, say the Casado, see a Bobusion, Yadia, say, you bad you risk any woman. What do you have to do? What could you millionaire the amount of the Antonia check? What are you doing? You don't better not be a bad you to 20 away for where? Are they? Chabagin. Nada, the beer in my money. You can't to tear and so was I?
Nasa mukano krona mo komo sanye professionals. Ye nya professional. Mo sanye professionals ana mo mo dimme e ko ko bombo a. Unma juma do a mana. Wa say ka kwati ka mu ti sie na ka kwati ka mana ka me wan ba asem. Obi anyi bitim say ko ko no. Mo ko fa sika no sa ko fa wrong back. Dino. Normally. Now so Mali, that means shout. As a man, when as a brother, as a friend, as a close friend, help me out. Let me help myself.
Yeah, I didn't say for this come. The koi, child of meat. Apotrene is where the winner. Yes, you go for money. See me, 2 years ago, Mubadi, we say Juma, and we tell our budget to now and your concert, and I think I'm in tomorrow. And one is to survive it. But it's a compuntia. You are the main target of this mission. Because anyone can some Libyan Kenyan. Hey! Obo corner that me kan kwase bia abo corner that e no so yes ka na me yes ka because of am ko no bo se me si me yes ka because am ko no yes akwa na e me de ato yes ka na ma wo de mun twen am mo ko nu se ya na mo ba da bia ba survive na da ba tia ka mu no e den anye ne nkwa ne ade chi yes na me ya do mo chi na no potutu e be buosi wona why me no ni God forbid hey Mubad God will not be God forbid God promise of my life Mubad se me mo bo no all because of me Jessica, I just am nearby and I'm a Kumono. Let me pay you. One call. What is that's all the minute that, the net. So better about quality the second. I put zero between Jennifer. I'm not father who is a carriage and a sword and a second police numbers and a free police for it. But tell her what I can slow. Only way. Or that semi panels ever do. It won't go to me. And what you get in the cigar, the phone in the Yamapain. You go promote the job on and make sure your kappa permanent make it room for improvement. God bless you. What is it? Go back. Mariam so we are we here. One copy alu shebeli ayalu we belewa. O plania dia Malia so planning yebo za yawa so. Ejuma yeku ni ono ma ejuma na isi. David unazinu we are demon bag no one. You may not bag made a well bag no pointing at 5. David, them so them was a cow show opening them into 1 and 2 in 5. Amalia go to catch on 5 and plan a case. Kalaya Fred, 1 man sound woman. Can you go give you the bag and skinny? Babes, no. What were you saying? Okay, I was. Are you okay? Are you okay? Did he catch you? With a knife. Did he tell you? Are you okay? No, just come. I don't know what to do. I'm scared. I can't be here alone. No, I'm here. I saw 2 guys. Keep calm. Breathe in. Just breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Come out. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't shiver. Don't panic. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Nobody's going to hurt you. I was alone here. I was alone. I know. Just calm down. Just calm down. What's it? They came here and what happened? They touched you? They asked for the money. The money? Yeah, the money. My dad's money. So they took the money away? Yes, they did. And this guy, the other one, he tried to... I don't know what to do. No, I'm here. I'm here. Nobody's going to come back. I'm here. I'm scared. Don't be scared. Okay. When you're with me, I told you, don't be scared.
okay? And so be behind you. I'm here just to protect you. No. Come closer. Don't be scared, okay? Don't be scared. Listen.
I can't stay here.
No, we are going to stay here. Relax, base. Please.
I'm trying to calm down.
Fear, yes. You see, I promise you, say, nipe bia or tejra sanyo mawe kosuno. Nipa na yeni betile. I'll find ways and means. Don't worry. We got cameras here, so definitely we can some can do master a coil. So I say, it's me per se, baby bia, I'm not bia. Let's not change. I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna be here the whole day. Okay? Don't be scared. I'm here just to protect you.
What happened?
Talking about it just makes it worse because you have no idea. Like, I was robbed.
How?
They came here.
When? How?
A day before yesterday. They came here. I was here alone by myself. You were not home. My boyfriend was not here and the cleaner was not here. I was all by myself. And I don't know, like I feel traumatized. I don't like talking about it, but I just feel like you need to know, you know. So they came here, someone knocked the door, I opened the door. Like I didn't even open the door.
They barged in?
Yes. And one, like, this guy was holding a big knife. And
knife?
Yes. And he was like, where's the money? And I didn't want to tell him. And
how did you know there was money in the house?
I don't know. That's why I'm so confused.
Who have you been talking to?
Nobody.
So how did I know there was money in this house?
I don't know.
Because it's just I and Dad.
I have no idea. Like nobody knows. Just you, me, my boyfriend. That's all. Nobody knows.
Your boyfriend?
Of course he's supposed to know.
Your boyfriend?
Yeah.
So he knows there's money in this house?
Obviously. I did tell him, so. I just don't like talking about, like, can we change the topic or something? I'm a bit confused.
I don't know.
I was all by myself. No one was here. No
confused.
One. Just imagine. I wouldn't wake up or something, like, I don't know.
How come whoever knew there was money in this house? Because nobody knows.
Like I'm saying, it's just me and you and my boyfriend.
Why would you even tell your boyfriend? Why?
Because I trust him. Yes, I trust my boyfriend very much. And I know, like, he always protects me, so why not?
Protects you?
Yes.
Trust?
Yes.
How well do you even know this boy guy?
It's enough. I'm not feeling well. The only thing you're doing is talking about my boyfriend. I thought you came here to say something. I'm scared and the only thing you can say is trust boyfriend. Why? He's my boyfriend. Accept it. I don't know what to do now. I just told you what happened. I'm confused.
Okay.
Sorry I shouted. I'm just...
There's no need to be sorry.
So where are you going now?
To my room. Since you are traumatized and then you feel telling a stranger you met.
He's not a stranger.
He's a fucking stranger. How well do you even know this guy? Why would you even tell him there's money in the house? Why?
Can you go?
Okay. It was a bad idea coming to your room.
Oh, young for back up and the street inside some of them. I did live my life because
this know you why you so quiet.
You know why? Have you talked to the police? Because I'm scared in this house. You know they came. I'm scared.
Only my baby. It's high time I have to stand as a man. Now me try to just go straight forward. Now me share everything here about this case because when say no be kaya, now me catch her about sika sem say on kwanko iska. Who knows say maybe poor police maybe na akoko anyway because I know for sure it's not the news. Sometimes it's me police will be money am robbers and gambia corrupt. You get it. Until I come in, and say, "Yema police, I mean, they slow down, that's what I say."
But don't you think it's the best that we inform them at least?
Yeah, because you know already. I call a policeman, Mr. Henkra, or Central, that's what I said, and I told him about it, and he told me I should relax because once I know a police independence, I want so many things about police, You get it. After no investigation, your mobile just come by say. So my main family works and means and I mean placement. So me placement then we will take it from there, okay?
Okay.
I don't want you to be sad. Obasana I'm smiling sad because me kwana me know what sad. So please let's calm down and we know what to do.
Alright.
You get it?
Yeah.
That your friend.
I've talked to a blogger though about the case.
You talked to a blogger?
I did.
No, you should have told me first, yeah?
Yeah, but you can't do everything by yourself.
Babes,
I need to do something, obviously.
Listen, we shouldn't be in rush for anything. Blogger, how much did you pay?
Like 5,000.
No. Babes, me on how much blogger 5,000 any other? Only bloggers a minimum.
But you didn't tell me, and I'm worried. You know I've been worried for some days now.
That your friend?
Yeah, Menina Kasa.
So what is he saying?
That I should tell the police, I should do something.
And I know that if for sure, I know they're not cementing. Catch that is over to me on the case because that didn't step on the photo as a memoir, a bear worse. So I know what's on me is to do it, okay? Have you eaten?
Yeah, I've eaten.
Are you sure?
Yeah, what of you?
No, I'm hungry. What's inside?
What do you want to eat?
What did you prepare?
Rice and stew.
Okay, fine. Let me go and take my shower then I love you, okay?
Thank you.
The street inside I dey live my life because kosi say me drew. Say ye nyame pa. Bibi abeye ma komentu.
Yaro me kasa woko yaro bra. Wana chiosa. Na wo yaro ya wa be na wo ye no. Obi a yakọ emission wa pa around. Eso back trap house no. Wonam na wudi nkwa asem. Ya wa be na wo ye ne sa. O problem pa ne sei. Yaro me kasa wo.
Wo say esisisi obi ani a.
E de na si a. A wo esi ade be na be.
Hwe minim ade a wo na agina so a. Wo de kasa. Ena tu ka wo se mto ne se minim wo. Naramali entina enam naramali so na memi hu.
Ate ni naramali anka meme nkasa.
Ena tie me menyi obofra.
Hwe wo yaro
sa mo nkwase asem na mo de me kwa na yankopon adom. Nyame ayi mefiri ma antia anka ma mame nyame madom wa twitwaje me no. Me se ni echi na mo sanfa me nkokoro no bombo a.
Bibi ya wunti wu nua ne yale na wo hie sika de akosa ne yale ne. Wo nfia sa anya nfa.
Wo be so zie. Mi hu komfo na so wo se da.
Yaro kasa
me tie kama ma no. Seka DC babu mu no
brantan
bi wosun kakran
ene kwa de bi
me dey I like superman na sa no
suanya nsa na black trap house na fa wo
asa na wo siti akọ kuma te se na nkanya asem ne nka ka so kromfo
jaji
enya asem na yenka ka
yaro ko fa
enya kronwa ba fa ze me gangster me shendi no
togo ye gangster ala wallahi yaro yana black trap house ne za utibete
ka kire na ramadi no se me ne lutin tontan
ene
there's no way se me besa be ni bio
obu aya wadwi ye nyeza wo be kire utu anya krono a komedu oku unima
wo obokrono ayi
bio kin no
obokrono ayi
obokrono survive that's me okay
o survive mboni
me go I know what I'm doing
and you survive in kame pafe
na ada me survive as am TV chim kame maganta madani pozu
survivor
fi anya nsa na bra trapper na ku ye aduma fofo
hey shut up over there stupid guy
kwa me nya mo flasa wo ma shia wo na ma yeku na wonim nipa me na mali ntana me nche me su ba
wo nche me
kila ne jina na la wallahi no duru wanchi na yaro
asuru probet ma to so
me suru beto me to and try that kra
menim de wo hu a wo priwia se me bokro no ayi
e no kasambla for
e be be yi wu sa ba no ayi se ba no
be yi me sabra ne be
wo so funa no o picture no eze no
fodo no me be si anyansa na bra fucking boy yeah bo alo na wuju onu ma kika nkwa asem odwan nya wo fort na ara ma ready fort dabo